Hello and welcome back. So today I'm out exploring a new place, a place I've actually never been to before. I accidentally stumbled along it this morning and it's beautiful. I'll show you the view from where I'm at now. So yeah, I'm going to wander along this trail and then head down to the beach because I have walked past the beach access. I just want to see everything. So I'm going to finish going up the hill, see what's up there, and then I'll go back to the beach. This place has all the views. So it turns out this walkway actually leads to the place I was last week, Dashing Rocks. I don't know if you can recognise it from the video, but funny that I never knew that there was a place interconnected to it. I'm going to head back to this new beach now. Whoa, what a place. So for one, I'm like walking on just a mountain of mussel shells. It's insane. And then it's just so beautiful. This is incredible. It's like little mini homes for sea life just in the wharf. It's filled with water. There's all sorts of little creatures and plants growing in it. Oh. The seaglass. It's rather square. It'll be from an old beer bottle, I'd say. And some more seaglass. That one's quite fresh, isn't it? Ah, yeah, and I lost it. Ah. Whoa, it is really beautiful. It's got something cool. Oh, I love this one. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. You can hear all the rocks being tumbled. Seems that I'm going to be finding a whole lot of sea glass today. This one's a lot more rounded than the others I found. Been in the ocean for longer. And something mini. That colour's nice. Love it. Check this out. Crazy. This one's a big funky chunk of quartzite. The details in that are beautiful. I really miss this. Oh. One day. Okay, so I'm going to head back now. Found a few bits and pieces along the way. So I'll go find a spot to sit and lay them all out and do the usual. And then head back home. Nice piece of quartzite. And a little flower shower. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.